everyone, my name is Cassie. I'm a fourth year nursing student and I'm here to teach you how to talk to your children about death and dying. While there's no magic age, research has shown that children as young as 3 years old can begin to understand the concept of death and its inevitability. Oftentimes, younger children will initiate the conversation after they've seen something on television or heard of the death of a loved one. Regardless of the reason it comes up, these conversations should be had in a place that is comfortable to the child with a parent or caregiver whom they trust. The amount of information to give is based on a number of factors, one of which is the child's age and developmental stage. It is crucial to take cues from your child to determine how much of the information they can handle. Body language, such as fidgeting, or change in the subject are indicators that your child has had enough for the time being. It is important to resist the urge to shelter your children about death and use clear, simple language that your child understands. Although this may seem harsh, using accurate terms such as death and died instead of passed away or went to sleep provides factual information, creates clarity, and helps develop a sense of trust in your relationship. Yes, it is absolutely normal to feel uncomfortable talking to your child about death, especially the first time. Many parents feel uncomfortable because they feel as though they don't have all the answers. Many times they're caught off guard when their child asks, so they panic and redirect the question. This is not the most effective method. Take a deep breath and remember, if your child asks you something that you don't know, simply say, "I don't know." Supporting your child and allowing them to freely voice their questions and express emotions and feelings is the foundation of creating trusting relationships that encourage curiosity and open discussion. Every child will react differently based on a multitude of factors, including age, personality, and stage of development. Regardless of their reaction, it is important to be a source of comfort for your child, allowing and encouraging them to express their feelings and ask questions. Younger children may feel frightened, responsible, or that the deceased is somehow being punished for bad behavior. It's important to talk honestly about causes of death, calling illnesses by name, and explaining them appropriately for your child. Using movies or fairy tales that your child is familiar with are good ways to help children understand what death means. Older children have a broader understanding of death and are beginning to understand the biological processes involved. They may have more in-depth questions about what happens during and after death. There are many different cultural beliefs and views on death and dying. To begin, tell your child that beliefs are individualized. Are you going to tell a 3-year-old that certain religions believe death is a punishment for inadequate behavior? No. But briefly explaining that not everyone believes in heaven and that people have different beliefs about afterlife can help them better understand different perspectives. The main factor in talking about different beliefs about death is not pressuring your child to accept your own personal beliefs. Educate them on what you know about differing views, but let them ultimately believe what they want. This is a very common question, but only you as a parent can answer it. There are many factors to take into consideration when deciding to take your child to a funeral. Number 1 is the age of the child. Are they going to be disruptive or sit quietly? Number 2 is how well did your child know the deceased? Death of a grandmother or close family friend may be more appropriate than an old family friend whom the child has never met. Number 3, is it an open casket? If so, depending on the age of the child, this could have a strong emotional impact. And number 4, ask your child if they want to go. Explain what a funeral is and what it entails and ask them if they would like to attend. We hope that you have found this video helpful and that you can apply this information when talking to your own children about death and dying. Good luck!